Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. My name is Lena. I'm doing videos related to luxury, lifestyle and travel. If this sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I also love to have you join my Facebook and Instagram so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and fashion. So in today's video, I will have another unboxing to share with you, which is very excited. Of course, I'm happy and excited for any unboxing. This is one of the items that I mentioned in the previous videos when I got the mini pochette and the passport cover from the Christmas animation Louis Vuitton collection of this year, 2020. I'm very excited about this piece because I never seen it in person. So let's dive into it. Okay, so here it is. I'm not sure if it's the right direction. Oh, how nice. Look at this box. There is ribbon and also shopping bag. Let me show you what I got right here. Let's see what is in this card. There's letter L, Louis Vuitton on the back, and inside is a card. Okay, it has Louis Vuitton in the bottom, and let's see what's inside. Okay, so there is a note here. Hi Lena, thank you for shopping with me. I'm so happy I was able to find this special piece for you. So this is from my essay. So lovely. Now it's time to pull out the door. I love this box. Okay. Here it is with the dust bag and with the Louis Vuitton on the dust bag. Let's review. Look at this. Oh wow. Can you see? Oh, how cute. Okay, so this is a glasses case in monogram coated canvas, and it has Vivienne on the roller coaster. This is from the Christmas animation collection of this year, 2020. Oh, wow. It has beautiful color. Let me show you a close look of this. It has Vivienne on the roller coaster here. The color matches my nails perfectly. It has beautiful color interior, fuchsia color, very velvety, microfiber. And it had here Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It has magnetic button closure in gold hardware with the Louis Vuitton on here. Let me take this out. Coated fabric and cowhide exterior, textile lining. And this is a code for your preference. Look at how beautiful inside. Oh my God. It feels so luxurious. Very nice. I love the fuchsia color. Let me give you a tour around this case. This is the front. The print is very balanced. This is the side. This is the back. The LV looks upside down. And it's pink at the bottom here. Very beautiful. If you already watched my previous video, the one that I got the mini pochette and the passport holder from the animation collection, then you would know that I wanted this piece to match the mini pochette in the same prints, the Vivienne on the roller coaster. But apparently I got the mini pochette with the Vivienne on the bumper cart. So I'm glad that I chose this print, because now when I have this one, I do have all three prints from this collection. As you can see here, I have the Vivienne on the Ferris wheel, I have the Vivienne on the bumper cars, and now I have Vivienne on the roller coaster. So I have all three prints from this Christmas collection. Love it. I wanted this piece, but it was so hard to get online. It is a very hard to get item because I never seen it available on the website, on Louis Vuitton website. So I asked my SA and she told me that she didn't have it. I kept trying stalking the website for the past few days because I wanted this piece so much. There are other prints too. There is one with the monogram and the red interior and bottom, and another one is in black. It is a monogram eclipse. It is nice too. But when I saw this one, I fell in love with this one because I love pink. I love the fuchsia color right here. It is such a lovely piece, right? I'm so happy when the SA texted me that she had it in store. But I couldn't make it to the store, so I told her to ship it to me, and she shipped it to me quickly. So I got this a few days ago, but I didn't have a chance to unbox it. And now here it is. I can show you. I just love it. It is so cute. Okay, let me try to put my glasses in here to see if it fits. Of course, I want my glasses to fit in here. What else can I use this for? Let me show you. This one is the sunglasses from Chanel. I love this color so much. Look at this. Look at the camellia flowers right here. It is so lovely, but it is so bulky. I cannot put it in any of my bag unless I take my Neverfull, or it fits in my Birkin or Kelly, but not every bag. So it doesn't fit in most of my bag. So that's why I purchased this case. So now let's see if it fits. Okay, here we go. It seems to be a little tight. All right, it fits perfectly. Let me show you how the Chanel sunglasses look on me. What do you think? I love this classic look with the cat eye shape. Very classic, right? Love it, especially with the pearl in the bottom here. Let's try the next one. This is from Chloe. Very nice sunglasses as well, but look at this. It is giant. Let's see if the sunglasses fit in the case of Louis Vuitton. I'm sure this Chloe sunglasses will fit in here. Now let me try on the sunglasses from Chloe. It has the pink tone. Very cute. It has a flower shape. Look at this. What do you think? It's cute, right? This sunglasses is very light. It just connected with the piece in the middle here. Yeah, there's no frame, so it is very, very light. I can wear this all day. Very nice. Now let's try with the sunglasses from Louis Vuitton. Look at this square box. It is too big to put in any bag. Especially nowadays, we tend to go with smaller bags. So with the boxy looking sunglasses case like this, it doesn't fit almost on any of my bag. Let's see if these glasses fit in here. Perfect. Let me try this glasses from Louis Vuitton. So you can see, this is not sunglasses. It's just like a fashion glasses because it doesn't really block the sun, but it has different color. If you look at this from different angle, then you can see different color. I'm not sure if it shows. Yeah, but it has a pink, sometimes blue, sometimes it's green. This is very nice, and it is very light too. Before I saw this piece, never seen in person. I just saw on the website, of course, with different colors, as I mentioned earlier, monogram with red and monogram eclipse. In previous collection, the Escal collection, the spring and summer collection, they also came out with the pastel color and blue color. They are beautiful too. But I'm happy with this piece right here because the colors and the print, so cheerful and festive. Love it. Yeah. So before I wanted to buy the case with the, I'm not sure if you knew what I'm talking about. I'm gonna post a picture so you can see what I'm talking about. But that one looks a little slimmer and it has a button right here. I was thinking about buying that one. So I watched some YouTube video, but most of people mentioned that it's not easy to take the glasses in and out. So I'm glad that I waited to get this one because it is very easy to open and close, and also it's easy to take the glasses in and out. Yeah, it is very nice, especially with this cheerful print. Love it, love it. I can't get over it. And that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And also hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I also love to have you join my Facebook and Instagram family so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and fashion. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye-bye.